Happy Black History Month, everybody. Happy Wednesday, you guys. Welcome to my channel. My name is Cmichelle and I post new videos every single Wednesday. And today you're probably wondering what looks off about her. Well, nothing, but what looks different about you? And yes, I don't have any lips on. I know the lips are my thing. The lips pull it together. But just hold on. We are going to be doing a Pat McGrath Lust 004 unboxing today. Now, mind you, stop. Just stop. Before we get started with this video, I need you to subscribe right now so you don't miss any other content that I post. I post every single Wednesday. Make sure you like this video, share, and let's get started because I'm so excited to do this unboxing. Now, I haven't opened it yet. This is the box right here. So I'm finally unboxing this, you guys. I know there's probably tons of other videos out on the 004 kit, but I don't care because it's my world. It's my channel and I do what I want. And I might be a little late, you know, but it's okay. We're just gonna keep on pushing, keep on trucking along. So, okay, so it opens like that. All the confetti paper. And, root. This is the kit right here. And it's the everything kit. I got it around Black Friday when they had $50 off. So I paid $100 for the kit. It has the Flesh Lipstick 1 and 2, the Venom Lipstick 1 and 2, the Blood Lipstick 1 and 2, the Clear Vinyl Gloss, the Metallic Gold Pigment, the Flesh Microfine Glitter, the Venom Microfine Glitter, and the Blood Microfine Glitter. Okay, so the description, it says submit to temptation and make your mouth a metaphysical masterpiece with the Lust 004. This collection of perverse lip paraphernalia features 6 sinful pigmented matte lipsticks, clear vinyl gloss, metallic gold pigment, and 3 mesmerizing microfine glitters. You know what? Hush. From the back, it says the exact same thing, straight from the lab, without caution. Satisfy your cravings for unorthodox glamour and experience altered states of lip luxury with these cult classics. Matte Trance, let the ritual begin with one swipe. Lay down a velvety rich canvas of color. Slip lush matte lipstick over mouth alone, or combine to create immaculate custom ombre effects. So you have the Liquid Nirvana Slick Gloss over Lipstick for miraculous shine that will leave your heart racing and lips dripping in decadence. So let's open. You guys, I have to keep this glitter organized. I'm just gonna pour it. I don't even think I'm going to do hand swatches, but let's have a little fun. You ready?
Myself ain't never talked to me like that before. No. And I wonder what on earth is he searching for. No wonder why there's no mirrors on these walls no more. You can't tell me why you're so terrified of beautiful. Scared of the good more than the evil. Scared of the light more than the dark. Scared of the truth so much more than the lie. I'm scared for me. I'm scared of me. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the fairest of them all? Mirror, mirror on your soul. That all of the beautiful ones. No wonder why.
Okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed my Pat McGrath Lust 004 Everything Kit Lipstick Lookbook. Oh, you guys, I did not do the gold glitter, but if you want to see that one, you can follow me on Instagram, and I will have either a picture in my highlights or either it'll be actually on my feed showcasing this one. Okay, so let's get into the actual review here. The packaging is very simple. It's all black. And then it just has a sticker on top with the name and the ounces. You get 0.05 ounces of lipstick in here. And let me just show you, once you scroll this up, this shows you just how much product is left. And this is the amount of product you get. So it's a really thin lipstick. I would have to say my favorite would definitely be, all the twos is what I tend to like the best. I think I was applying it correctly, but I would put on the lipstick, then the glitter, then the gloss. But I think there should be a little bit of time in between. I first started using my finger, but then I switched to actual tools, and it applied a lot better for me when I used my synthetic brushes. So put on the lipstick, waited until it became a bit more matte, and then I would press the glitter in, and then I waited a few more seconds to apply the glitter. With my finger, I didn't do too well. It might be because of my nails, but when I switched to actual tools, it worked great. I will give you guys an up close look at the glitters. And this is the flush one. It is extremely finely milled. It's a beautiful glitter. All of these glitters are really, really nice. This is the Venom, a bright red, more vibrant. The Blood is a deeper red. The vinyl gloss has an awesome smell. It kind of has a smell of shea butter. I don't know, it just like shea butter and vanilla combined. It smells really good. And these don't have a smell at all. This is how the actual glitter comes. This one is Liquid Nirvana. Little sifter at the top, of course, and then the protective sheet on top. If I could get it. I might mess around and use this as a shadow. Very gold, very pigmented. But like I said, if you follow me on Instagram, you guys, it'll be in my highlights or on my actual feed. So my Instagram is at Cmichellestyles. Make sure you guys follow me there. So as far as the glitters, I love the Blood one the best. It is such a deep, rich color. This is the darker Blood right here. So I think that is pretty much it as far as my review. The colors are beautiful. They did all go on seamlessly. The one swipe is true. It went on easily without a problem. The colors are very rich. They're very creamy. They do dry down to be a bit matte. And I really liked them. I love the smell of the clear vinyl gloss for sure. The glitter, the packaging, and all that jazz was cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I thank you so much for watching. Tell me, out of the lipstick lookbook, which one was your favorite? Please make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it amongst your other makeup friends. Join me next week, next Wednesday. I'll see ya. It's a date. Because you guys are my Valentine, so you kind of have to. You can't like not go out on a date with me. That's rude. So I will see you guys next week with the beautiful Valentine's Day look. There's so much more I want you to see. Click this video, check it out. Adios, besos.